Training Module 1, Getting Started. This module provides the background information and context to help the user prepare to use this video. The objectives in this module are divided into two sections, Introduction and Project Components. The introduction contains the purpose, terminology, Civil 3D objects, about Civil 3D, about this manual, and resources. The project components are the Civil 3D drawings. The prerequisites for this module is to have a basic understanding of AutoCAD and Civil 3D. The introduction. Purpose. This video serves two primary functions. It is a training manual for instructor-led training and a user manual for roadway engineers, designers, and technicians. Lab exercises are provided at the end of each module. Although instructor-based classes may not use all the exercises or cover all the chapters. The terminology. Throughout this video, the term department refers to the Florida Department of Transportation. The department standards for roadway design are provided in the roadway manual. Guidelines for roadway design are provided in the various roadway handbooks, the department's plan preparation manual, and CAD manual provide the standards for preparing the construction plan sets. Discussion about how to best use Civil 3D to comply with the department's CAD standards and guidelines are included in this video where appropriate. The Civil 3D objects that are used in this data set for this video include the surface, feature lines, alignment, profile, profile view, and corridor. Let's talk about Civil 3D. Civil 3D is a comprehensive application for designing a roadway design. Civil 3D includes a comprehensive set of tools for designing roadways and dimensionally accurate 3D model. The FDOT Civil 3D State Kit contains custom assemblies and subassemblies used for roadway design. The assemblies and subassemblies objects can be edited graphically or numerically, including or using a variety of convenient user interface features, such as interactive dialog boxes, cursor menus, tooltips, toolbars, ribbons, palettes, with most of these having context-sensitive behaviors. Predefined styles complying with FDOT standards are included with the FDOT Civil 3D State Kit. These styles control the graphical appearance of the assemblies and subassemblies, their labels, and much more. Preset command behaviors simplify the use of commands, so Civil 3D objects such as assemblies and subassemblies are created and labeled simultaneously using the desired styles. Designs are produced with less effort and eliminate labeling errors. For Civil 3D drawings, the drawing files are in a binary format with a .dwg file extension. They contain object tables and databases. When opened in an AutoCAD environment, the drawing displays graphical and textual content. Civil 3D objects are created and stored in this drawing file format, along with native AutoCAD objects. The resources for this training can be found at the following HTML locations: for roadway design, for CAD manual, and for FDOT Civil 3D State Kit.